This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your deleted contacts on your Android phone. So let's go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down until we get to Google services. So yours might be at the top, mine's near the bottom here, but we can go to Google services now and you can see your account. So just make sure you're logged into the correct account. So you can see mine right there. If your contacts are saved to another Google account, you probably won't be able to find them because you're on the wrong account. So under all services now, we can scroll on down and we're looking for Google Contacts. So we got backup, Google Contacts synced right here. We can go to that. And then at the top, it will take you to googlecontacts.com or whatever. You can just tap that right here. And it'll bring you to this page where you can see all your different contacts. So we can use the app or we can stay on the web. Doesn't really matter. Now under here, you can go to the three lines and then you can go to the trash can. And if you deleted any contacts within the last 30 days, you should be able to retrieve them now and add them back to your Google account. So this is what it looks like from here. Now the way that you can do this is if you go to Gmail, tap the three dots, scroll all the way down here and go to Contacts. Then when you're under here, you can go to Organize, scroll all the way down, and you can see your contacts. There should be an option for trash right here. So you can retrieve them from here as well. So that's two different ways. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.